That's just that word. I was like, yo, my sister's a bitch.
Who said that?
Me.
You call her that?
Yeah.
She's so mean.
Me and Vanessa don't get along.
Why?
I love her to death, but she's an asshole.
So you're the same with me and Micah. You guys don't get along?
No.
You don't get along?
Yo, you're mean with like, yo. You be screaming on Shorty.
I don't scream on her.
What?
You're just talking.
You be
Seriously,
screaming
you're
on
worse.
Shorty.
You call her names. I don't call my sister names ever.
Yeah, well, sometimes Vanessa deserves it.
Hey, how you doing?
Good, good.
Même si tu mouche, moi, je ne pas vous avec un vidéo. Listen, the model's coming.
Those are the best videos because you know you have to show exactly what happened. You know.
We woke up.
Yeah.
This is what we look
like.
And we mange un chocolate croissant.
I just had mine yesterday. It was good.
Is your grandmother?
Yeah.
How old is she?
She's 80.
Wow.
You didn't take the